jingshah thang jung ka wei ka kali gypsy ka badai jung ka tanat pulit ka badon yo registration number ML not R not real not lie hak senya jung ka arpsan teri ujeliu arajar arpulai hak jakasa kibor pulit ha police training school Mawroh ha kibruk bomla setia bentip ladep register mukotduma persya ya kibadon kti abakran bit kilat.
The arson case is registered and it is under inquiry now, and we will see after preliminary inquiry what were the probable cause, what were the reasons, and who were behind this incident. So after registrations, already investigation started, and it may take a little bit time, but we will do it.
Sir, there is complaints from the citizen that is coming every time that even the traffic police are not available on the traffic junction after 8 o'clock like that, and even the bikes, they are moving at high speed. So any effort to monitor this or any effort to stop this?
So Honorable CM has taken meeting regarding this traffic congestion problem, particularly in Shillong town, and he has suggested the use of drones so that we can monitor the congestion points. Here in Shillong, almost, if I remember correctly, more than 56 or 57 points our traffic personnel are deployed. But with the existing strength, we cannot cover each and every inch of the road and every physically present around the globe. But mainly our traffic personnel are working in 2 shifts. So if we'll make 3 shifts, then we may require more traffic personnel. And for that, once the recruitment process is completed, after that, hopefully, we will be able to give more traffic personnel to the traffic branches.
Sir, you said about